Moody just found the new love of her life.
Oh yeah, get up. Bite that finger. Oh, get it. You're gonna get my finger.
This is called puppy therapy.
Puppy therapy. Oh, oh, ah. Yeah. Little puppy, but puppy kisses, puppy bites.
Look, I'm not taking you for more stitches.
Right. You've been doing it to me, poem.
Okay.
Actually, I think I would name you Chester.
I want to know where that came from.
Chester.
It just happened.
Chester. What's this, Chester? What's this?
Oh, that was you. Okay.
I bet that feels so good gnawing on that.
Better that than my finger. Oh, look at him. I'm in love with you, Chester. Oh, but you love my fingers more. Oh, you're so strong. You moved the fence.
This dog was shaking with fear when we first put him down. Needless to say.
He fell in love with me, and I fell in love with him. You got people hair. You got people hair. I need to get this people hair off of you. Only dog hairs. Only dog hairs, right? Oh, how does that feel? How does that feel, Chester? Chester.